Welcome. Today, we're exploring how chatbots powered by natural language processing are transforming educational institutions. These AI-driven assistants are designed to facilitate smooth communication between students, faculty, and staff, making information more accessible than ever. By leveraging advanced neural networks, chatbots can understand and respond to queries in a way that feels almost human. This technology not only streamlines administrative processes but also enhances user engagement and satisfaction. As we journey through this topic, we'll uncover the technical foundations, practical applications, and future possibilities of educational chatbots. Natural language processing, or NLP, is at the heart of modern chatbots. It enables machines to interpret, process, and generate human language, making conversations with chatbots feel natural and intuitive. In educational settings, NLP allows chatbots to understand diverse queries about courses, schedules, and academic resources. This technology adapts to various linguistic patterns, ensuring that users from different backgrounds can interact seamlessly. By integrating sentiment analysis and intent recognition, chatbots can quickly grasp the user's needs and deliver relevant information, making them invaluable tools for support and communication. Neural networks are the backbone of intelligent chatbots. These systems mimic the way the human brain processes information, enabling chatbots to learn from interactions and improve over time. In educational chatbots, neural networks help in understanding context, recognizing patterns, and generating responses that are both accurate and human-like. This continuous learning process ensures that the chatbot becomes more effective with each conversation, adapting to new questions and evolving language use. As a result, users experience more personalized and meaningful interactions. One of the standout features of educational chatbots is their ability to provide individualized support. Whether a student needs information about academic resources, course details, or administrative procedures, the chatbot can deliver tailored responses. This personalized approach not only saves time but also ensures that each user receives the most relevant information. By continuously learning from interactions, chatbots refine their understanding of user preferences and needs, making support more efficient and effective. Key advantage of AI chatbots is their ability to learn continuously. Through ongoing interactions, chatbots gather data, recognize new patterns, and adapt their responses to better meet user needs. This dynamic learning process allows them to stay up to date with changing language trends and institutional requirements. As chatbots evolve, they become more adept at handling complex queries and providing accurate, context-aware answers, ensuring a consistently high-quality user experience. Sentiment analysis and intent recognition are two powerful NLP techniques used in chatbots. Sentiment analysis helps the chatbot understand the emotional tone of a user's message, while intent recognition identifies the purpose behind the query. Together, these tools enable the chatbot to respond appropriately, whether the user is seeking information, expressing frustration, or making a request. This level of understanding enhances the chatbot's ability to deliver relevant and empathetic support. Educational institutions are increasingly adopting chatbots to streamline communication and improve support services. Chatbots can handle routine inquiries, provide instant answers, and free up staff for more complex tasks. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but also ensures that students and parents receive timely assistance. As digital transformation accelerates, chatbots are becoming essential tools for modern educational environment. For building any AI model, it's crucial to examine the distribution of data. In the context of educational chatbots, analyzing class distributions in training and testing datasets helps ensure that the model performs well on unseen data. Balanced datasets lead to more reliable models, while imbalanced data can result in misleading accuracy metrics. By understanding data distribution, developers can select appropriate evaluation metrics and build more robust chatbots. Machine learning is a core component of chatbot development. By training on large datasets, chatbots learn to recognize patterns, classify queries, and generate appropriate responses. In educational settings, machine learning enables chatbots to handle a wide range of topics, from admissions to academic achievements. As the chatbot interacts with more users, its performance continues to improve, making it a valuable asset for institutions. Python is the programming language of choice for many AI and chatbot projects, thanks to its readability and extensive libraries. Anaconda, a popular distribution, simplifies package management and deployment, making it easier for developers to build and maintain chatbots. With tools like Anaconda Navigator and Conda, developers can manage environments and dependencies efficiently, ensuring smooth development workflows. Python was developed in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum as a successor to the ABC programming language. Known for its clear syntax and versatility, Python has become a staple in scientific computing, data science, and AI. Its object-oriented approach and extensive standard library make it ideal for both small and large-scale projects. Over the years, Python has evolved, with a strong community and ongoing support from a dedicated steering council. Anaconda is a free, open-source distribution that bundles Python and R with over 1,400 data science packages. It is widely used in machine learning, large-scale data processing, and predictive analytics. With Anaconda, developers can easily install, manage, and update packages, reducing setup time and minimizing compatibility issues. This makes it an excellent choice for building robust educational chatbots. Conda, the package management system included with Anaconda, allows developers to install, update, and manage software packages and environments efficiently. This flexibility is crucial for chatbot development, where different libraries and dependencies must work seamlessly together. Conda also supports the creation of custom packages, which can be shared across teams or published to repositories for broader use. Anaconda supports Windows, Linux, and macOS, making it a versatile tool for developers working in diverse environments. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that educational chatbots can be developed, tested, and deployed regardless of the underlying operating system. As a result, institutions can adopt chatbot solutions without worrying about technical barriers. Python's design emphasizes readability and simplicity, using indentation to structure code. Its object-oriented and functional programming capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of applications, including chatbots. Python's dynamic typing and garbage collection further simplify development, allowing programmers to focus on building features rather than managing low-level details. Robust database is essential for any educational chatbot. It stores all relevant information such as admissions details, course offerings, and administrative procedures. When a user submits a query, the chatbot cross-references the database to provide accurate and timely responses. This structured approach ensures that users always receive up-to-date and reliable information. Chatbot is designed to assist with common inquiries about admissions, eligibility, course details, and the inquiry process. By evaluating each question and referencing the database, the chatbot delivers precise answers, reducing the workload on administrative staff and improving the overall experience for students and parents. Looking ahead, one of the key areas for improvement is making chatbots more interactive in multiple languages. By supporting diverse linguistic backgrounds, educational institutions can better serve students and parents from different regions. This multilingual capability will make chatbots even more inclusive and effective. Future chatbots will not only provide information but also offer actionable solutions to users' problems. For example, if a student has an issue with enrollment, the chatbot could guide them through the resolution process or connect them with the appropriate department. This proactive approach will further enhance the value of chatbots in education. To maximize their usefulness, chatbots should include information on academic achievements, placements, and scholarships. By expanding the knowledge base, chatbots can address a wider range of queries and support students throughout their academic journey. This comprehensive approach ensures that users have access to all the information they need in one place. Summary: educational chatbots powered by NLP and neural networks are revolutionizing support and communication in academic institutions. By providing individualized assistance, learning continuously, and adapting to user needs, these chatbots enhance the overall educational experience. As technology advances, we can expect chatbots to become even more interactive, multilingual, and solution-oriented, playing a vital role in the future of education.